Hello mga kasangga, welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog. Queen Bea Alonzo and Han Dominic Roque nag-dinner with friends after ng church nila. Sweet and friendly talaga ng couple na ito, Bea Dam Forever. Narito ang clips ng naganap nilang dinner with friends.